This is the Unit 3 assessment. There are two parts to the test. The first part is no calculator. The entire test is worth 41 points. At the end of each question, you'll see how much each question is worth and what you're getting graded on, the work and solution for this question. So on questions 1, A, B, C, and D, you are going to do calculations. Decimal addition, 3.8 plus 25 plus 19.62 is equal to what number? Question B is what number is equal to 8 minus 3.25? Pause the video and solve this. When you are done with A and B, unpause your video. Question C and D of number 1 is the same computation with decimal numbers. This one is some number is equal to 3.7 times 5.4. And then in D, it's 7.63 divided by 3.5 is equal to some number. Pause your video, finish those questions, unpause when you're done. Question 2 says a rectangular garden is 5.24 meters wide and 7.08 meters long. How much fencing will it take to enclose the garden? It's worth 2 points, showing your work and the solution. You'll have to show me your number model here, so what math operation did you use and what numbers? And then the solution here. Pause your video to finish that question. If you turn the page, we're on number 3 now. Lila earns $2,725.98 per month. How much money does she have left after paying these bills? Show your work and solution for full points. Her rent is $1,250. The groceries were $325.78. And the electricity is $55.27. Remember, she earned $2,725.98 per month. The question asks, how much money does she have left after paying these bills? Make sure you show your work and the solution. Pause the video to finish that problem. Question number 4, Aaron selected items totaling $48.75 at the farmer's market. He gave the farmer $60. She incorrectly gave him $12.25 in change. How much change should Aaron have received? Show your work and then give me your answer to that. The second part of that question says, explain what mistake the farmer might have made with the incorrect change. Obviously, it's a calculation error. I need a little more than that. Explain what the mistake the farmer might have made. Pause your video and finish that problem. Number 5, use estimation. Think about what we do for estimation or another strategy to place the decimal point in each answer correctly. Explain or record a number sentence to show how you made your estimate. The first one's $3.52 times 10.75. They said equals these numbers, which is true, but you have to place the decimal in the correct place. 3784. Find the decimal place by using estimation, remember, or any other strategy to get the correct decimal place value here. Make sure you show what you did. B is 58.15 times 102.8. The digits are 59778 2. And C is 4,904.9 divided by 0.98. The digits would be equal to 500, 5000. When you're finished with this problem, you can unpause your video. Go ahead and pause now. Question 6. Stephanie buys a bag of grapes for her holiday party. Grapes cost $3.99 a pound. The bag of grapes that she buys weighs 3.5 pounds. Question asks, how much will Stephanie pay for her bag of grapes before tax? Show your work. Again, it's worth 2 points. Show your work, show your solution. Pause your video and finish the question. Question 7. Mark paid $55.58 to fill his car's gas tank with gas. If the gas tank was empty and the cost of gasoline was $3.97 per gallon, question asks, how many gallons does the tank hold? It's worth 2 points, your work and your solution. Flip the page, or pause your video, flip the page when you're done, and begin the next problem. Question 8. These are percent problems, and your calculator is 100% okay from this point on. Question A says 25% of 64 is what number? Go ahead, pause your video and solve. Question B, 45% of 40 is what number? Pause your video and solve. Question C, explain how you found 45% of 40. What math operation did you use? What strategy did you use? Anything like that is what you're going to write in words here. Pause your video and solve. Question 9. 9A says 10 is 25% of what number? Pause your video and solve. Write your answer here. Question B. 15 is 30% of what number? It's worth 1 point. Answer here. Pause your video and solve. Question C is same as above. This time you say, explain how you found the number in problem 9B. So again, tell me a strategy, the math operation, whatever it is you used to solve this problem. It's worth 1 point. Pause your video and write. Question 10. A salad dressing is 25% vinegar. I'm going to repeat that. A salad dressing is 25% vinegar. Sue wants to make 2 cups of dressing. How much vinegar does she need? It's worth 2 points, the work and the solution. Think about your words, is and of. What do you know and what do you need to solve for? Pause your video and solve. Question 11. Sam withdraws $250 from his bank account. This amount is 20% of his total. How much did he have in his account originally? Think about your is and your of. What do we know and what are we trying to solve for? It's worth 2 points, work and solution. Pause your video and solve. The bar graph shows the worldwide total for the amount of electricity generated by wind. So here's your bar graph. The years are here, 2001, 2002, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 2011. And here's the megawatts of power in thousands. First question says, describe what you know from the graph about wind-generated electricity over the years. So So the year started at 2001. What do we see happening over the years to 2011? Pause your video and answer that question. Question 13, use this dot plot below to answer the following questions. All the questions are here, A through H. Then you're going to create a box point. All of this is worth 8 points. So here we go. This is the gallons. This is the number of paint orders. Find the following data landmarks to describe the center and spread of the data. A is your minimum. B, range. C, Q1. D, IQR or interquartile range. E is your maximum. F is your median. G is Q3 or quartile 3. And H is the mode. Pause your video and find the answer to A through H. Finally, you're going to use the information from above about the paint orders to create a box plot for the data given in the problem. You'll use this number line to create your dot plot. And that is the end of the test.